Hello everyone, let's talk about transforming the data, in particular transforming Excel files. So here we have a very basic Excel file. It holds a list of orders, and we have a very small problem with amount field because it has currency signs and it also has unnecessary commas. And what we want to do, we want to get rid of them so it can be used later for reporting. So let me show how. So first, let me just close it. The first step we need to create new transformation. Call it transform. So data. Not going to use the validator, which is deleted. We can read it to transformer. So what we need to do now, we need to set appropriate data reader type. And we select source directory. And we select the file. And we select the table or sheet. Let's do some formatting. Field names. And we will be creating another Excel file. So we just copy fields definition. And we say that our writer type is Excel. Connection type. Call it clean data. Call it cells. And we'll be creating new data and we'll do OK, so click OK. Next thing we need to do, we need to map the fields. Just use automap for now. We need to apply transformation to a map. There are multiple ways of doing it because we have a lot of functions. For example, we need to we can use ensure on a suffix or ensure on a prefix, or we can just use delete characters transformation function. We just link it. As the characters we want to delete with a pound sign. We want to delete $sign. We want to delete comma. Just click OK. Let's preview. It is actually working. OK, it's working fine. See, everything is checked, corrected. This is working fine. As you can see, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Let me just save it and run it. And as you can see, we have 3 records with all our data cleaned. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or need any help with transforming your Excel files, and please note that our software can do a lot with Excel files. Please go to our support forum, post a question, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.